Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna be showing all my Fidget haul, and then we can comment on my video. They're not Fidgets. I'm gonna give you a little hint. They're puppets. 3 freaking puppets. Where the base come from? Got the first one from Claire's, and I got this one from Forever 21. So I'm gonna show you right now. First, I'm gonna start off with the ugly one I got. I just bought this like yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. This is made out of plastic. So you see how I pushed them two down, and I'm barely even touching it. I'm barely touching it, and it's going down. I'm just made out of plastic, but this side is the quiet side, cause I know y'all know, because you can't hear anything. See the good thing to come up, and I didn't even do nothing yet. This is the quiet side, and you already know the loud side. I don't even really like the loud side because the loud side, it just won't go down when you like push it from the quiet side. Now, on this one, this is the loud side or the quiet side. I don't really know. This is the quiet side. You know, I can still hear some stuff, but it's not that loud like the loud side. So, I have 2 rainbow puppets. I got 2 rainbow puppets. On TikTok and YouTube and stuff, they look so big, but in real life, they're just like small. This is the loud side. And I got the unicorn one. This one is the loud side. And this is the quiet side. Y'all probably type in the comments like, no, that's the loud side. That's the other side that you popping with the quiet side. No, this side, it makes a little popping noise, but it's not as loud as the loud side. So yeah, they're on my Fidget haul, but when I get home tomorrow, I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff that I forgot from Forever 21. The rest of my rings and my glasses. So y'all can't see it yet, but I'm just gonna tell you. Yes, my glasses, my nails, my makeup. All I got is a bronzer and some brushes, so don't come after me. And I got some little eyeshadow. And I've been using like pen brushes that I don't even use for my makeup because I used that. Cause I used to have this one makeup brush. I got it for Christmas, right? It came with I forgot what it was called. Jif or Nif. One of them. Was it Jif or Nif? I don't even know, but I just know that it was Jif or Nif. But I just know that I got it for Christmas, and they were like small little circle ones, and there was a line in the middle. One of them was like light and glitter, and one of them was dark and without glitter. And there was 3 of them. And a brush came with them, so I started using them for my makeup until one day somebody lost it. I don't know who, and I know it wasn't me because I had it in my makeup bag the whole time, so it couldn't be me. And guess what? I got some coupons. I mean, not coupons. Got some little stuff for Bath and Body Works, as y'all can see. Put it down. Bath and Body Works. These are 2. I could get 2 free gifts. If y'all can see, 2 free gifts and 20% off. So yeah, I'm so excited to go back to the mall and go to Bath and Body Works. And my girlfriend, she took me shopping today and yesterday. And I said, let's just go back to Body. And she said, she said, your mama got a whole collection of Bath and Body Works. She said to tell you I use these because look, my mom do not let me use her stuff. She don't even trust me with any of her stuff. She don't let me use her Bath and Body Works, nothing, not even her phone. And the one that I'm recording on is her old phone. Her first phone, not her first phone, but like her first iPhone. And then after that, when she got her iPhone 11 Pro Max, she gave me this phone. And then when she got another iPhone 11 Pro Max from Amazon, I think, but the people that look at it, she gave me her other iPhone 11, and that one broke. So now I'm using her phone because she said this is her phone, but it's actually Jalen's phone. Y'all wanna wonder who Jalen is? She's my cousin. So yeah. And how was I gonna say? And she don't even like me because she always saying no. And I told her, my mom said use these, so I could give me a mini set of them, like some sets. But she said no because she know my mom don't trust me with any of her stuff. So whatever. Time to get it. Y'all, let me see. Okay, 8:51. I'm finna log into class. I'm still gonna be in tech with y'all. I'm gonna sit y'all right there, right here. I load into this class. So yeah, I'm gonna still have my topics out. I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on that bell. Make sure you know whenever I post another video. If y'all want to see play with some more fidgets and do a fake fidget trading, bye.